Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg. Thanks for stopping by today. Today's tutorial is how to add a white background to your image, also how you can remove remove the background of an image. And finally guys, I will show you how you can make money by doing this as well. All right, so I'll see you on the other side. Guys, welcome back, and just so you know, this is my channel, Keiron Hogg, where I talk about how to make money online, some cool hacks and tips to help you with some tech information. Also guys, I give honest tech reviews on products used for affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in any of these things, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you'll always be notified. But let's get into it guys. So first of all, we want to learn how to add a border to an image. Now I made another video about this, and I'll put it right here in the top corner here about how to remove a background image and add a white border. But let me show you the quality difference. So if I just take you, okay guys, so if I show you here, I made a video showing how you can remove a background image and also add a white border. But if you zoom in, you can see that it's kind of grainy, right? Like the quality isn't very good. But what I'm going to show you today is how you can make it look like this. Now I actually added a white border and a black border, and I can show you how you can do that as well very easily. But you can see the crispness, the overall integrity of the original photo has really maintained its clarity a lot better. You can see the eyes here, there's still a shine right here. It kind of looks dull and grainy, right? So that was the original video that I showed you. So we're going to use some new free sites and some new software. So I'm going to show you. The first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go and download GIMP. So if you just type in on your Google and you just type in free GIMP download. Okay. So here you go. This is going to be it's kind of like a free version of Photoshop. So I just downloaded GIMP directly, so you can do that, and then if you want you can pause this video and then you can upload it, and it's going to look something like this. This is the work area, the workstation area like this, okay? So you can do that now, and then we will get into it. All right guys, so I assume you've got it now. So what we want to do, we want to drag, before we do this, we want our photo to have no background. So another way that you would want to do this is you would want to go to free background remover. So Adobe Spark background remover. Now I made a video that I'll post right here about using, you can also use remove.bg, which works very quickly, but I think the quality is a little bit better in this one, the Adobe Spark background remover. So guys, we're gonna pick our photo, so we can just upload our photo like this. I have a demo photo that we will just use for this situation, so we'll just click on here. Okay, here's the image, Keiron demo. Okay, see, super fast. Just click download, and I'm going to save it in the same place. So I'm going to save it into my desktop again, and the same location. Keiron demo. I'll just leave it that name there, and it's a PNG file, which is what we want. Great. So now you guys, we're in GIMP. What we want to do, we want to grab our photo, just drag it over like so. Okay, now first thing we want to do, we want to make the dimensions a little bit bigger because we're going to be adding a border, so we want it just to have a little bit more, we don't want it to get lost, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to image, so just click on that. If I click on that, you can see the four corners are highlighted, and if I go to image and canvas size. So my buddy Sulek Tigala, he just advised me to maybe add another 300 to each side. So this will be now 27, and this will be 37, and then we just resize like that, bang. So you can see it has gotten a little bit bigger. So now what we want to do, guys, we want to align the image. So we're going to click on alignment here, and then we can just center it and also center it like that. Okay, so we're all locked in now. Perfect. Next thing we want to do, guys, is we want to add a new layer, which is going to be our white layer, which we're going to put behind it. So down in the bottom right corner here, this is the create new layer. Yes, please. And white background. Yes. And what we want to do, we want to make sure that we bring it below our image. So our image, we want to raise that up. Okay, guys. So now we're going to highlight this. I'm going to right click this area here, and we want to alpha to selection. Okay, now we want to click on the white background, and we want to go to select, and we want it to grow. Now guys, I'm going to put in 15. I like that number. You can play around with it depending on what you are looking for, but I actually think this is okay, so let's just try it for now. And now we want to go to edit, and you see down here fill with background color, and now it is all uniformly with a white border around it, guys. So let me just deselect everything here, and there you go. See, all around the same proportions all around. Now when I did it with Canva, I showed you in my video, another video, how I did it with Canva. It was a little bit distorted. It was a little bit fatter in some areas, a little bit thinner, a little bit not very smooth. So this is a better way. It's a few more steps, but your finished product is so much better. All right, so guys, we can save this now. Oh, export as, let's do that. Export as, guys, and I will just call it Keiron demo revised. Yes, and I want to export it to the same destination. Great. All right, now if you want to add it into, well, anyways, guys, yeah, you can add it into any area that you want, Canva or whatever you want to do. But I told you now, guys, how you can also make some money on this as well. All right, so let me take you over to Fiverr here. Now, if I just type in remove background from image, you can see that there are a lot of different people making money. Now, it's not very much, $5, but when you get good at this, you can crank these out really quickly. Now, if I just take you to, that is their basic plan. Now, their standard is $10, their premium is $15. So you guys can actually make quite a bit of money doing this if you want to try doing this on Fiverr, or there's also Upwork as well. Also, guys, if you want to add a white outline to an image, you can do it right here. So this guy is doing this. If I just click on here, $5 for 1 or 2 images, and then $15 for 2 to 3 images, and $25 for 3 to 4 images. So you can get really quick at this and start making a lot of money, guys. So I hope you got some value from this. If you're looking to make money online, this is one way. It doesn't take a lot of effort, a lot of skill, and all of the software and materials that I've used in this tutorial are all free, which is even better for you. All right, guys, and like I say, if you want to learn how to make money online, you can subscribe to my channel. I've got other videos talking about that. And if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you can also look at my channel and my website, KeironGHogg.com. There's lots of information there. There is, and if you want to drop a comment and ask me an actual question, I promise I'll get back to you as soon as I can about it. So guys, thank you very much. Good luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.